guys, we're here today at number 10 Charlton Road Cottages in Creechfield. This is an absolutely gorgeous 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. The property's been extended to give it a wonderful kitchen and dining room. You won't be disappointed with what they've done. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you've loved this property as much as we do, give us a call on 01823 271 681 to arrange your viewing now.